Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to go over my favorite printer for photography and why you should or should not get it. The printer that I'm talking about today is the Canon SELPHY CP1500. It can handle 4 by 6 inches or 2.1 by 2.1 inches. Honestly, some of the biggest pros to me about this printer and why I bought it is its small size and portability. I'm not in a huge apartment, so having a small printer and not feeling like I have to hang every photo that it prints because the sizes of the prints are so small. One of the big benefits was being able to print photos directly from my phone over Wi-Fi, or you can use an SD card. There's a free app that goes with the printer, and I normally just load photos directly from my phone and send them over via Wi-Fi to the printer. The printer comes in right under 2 pounds at 1.9, which means you can take it to friends, family, which allows you to print photos pretty much right on the spot. Most people these days have thousands of photos that they never really look at again on their phone. So I wanted to start printing some photos off and getting them on the fridge, on the wall, and even giving them to friends after parties. And it just seems like a nice, easy, affordable way to do things versus framing photos and dealing with that greater investment. A lot of the photos that I'm going to show were taken with my Fujifilm X-T5, which I have another video about. Feel free to check that out if you're interested. So I wanted some way to place some more importance on certain photos that were important to me, and that meant printing. But I also didn't want to hang every photo on the wall in a big frame and invest that time and money on them. So instead, I wanted to essentially go back to what my parents did. I feel like most people have a bucket of photos. So I wanted to figure out a practical way to get physical copies of photos, and this ended up being the best for me because most photos, whether I take it with a mirrorless camera or my phone, they end up in my photos library. So it was easiest to just get them in there and then send directly to the printer. Essentially, I would recommend this printer for anyone that has a bunch of photos on their phone that they just wish they could do more with after posting on Instagram or putting on your website, and if you don't want those photos to be lost to history essentially. But I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.